Send it to me. I'll put a nice transition.
I'll send you them this time.
Like I said,
care.
I'll edit them. Or before the end of the night, you upload them onto my dumpster.
I know it's dirty. It has
You gotta get one
character.
of those, yo. Big ass trucks.
I'm gonna write send nudes.
Hashtag send nudes.
I just fucked your bitch in some Gucci flip flops. This truck is so
interested?
I like
I had
that.
2 pairs of these and I wore one of each.
Ew, whose car is that?
I hate you.
That is so terrible.
You have a cracked screen. Don't make me crack it more.
That's not the screen. That's the protector,
I'll
actually.
protect it more.
I don't care.
Glass screen protectors are not worth it.
You're right. They're not. They're really not.
Y'all can't have me.
Well, what happened? All right. Oh my God! It's such trash.
How much you pay?
Nothing. Not as much as him.
I love that truck though. I want the truck. The truck is so cool.